My name is Namiyah Sharma and I am your chef for Cooking Without Fire. Today's recipe is our favorite apple chaat. Yay! For this, you need fresh apples, black pepper, black salt, and our favorite chaat masala. Oh, I forgot to tell you, you also need a mixing bowl to mix the apples. Now, you have to tell an elder or your mom to peel the apple like this, properly. After they have peeled your apple, tell them to cut them into pieces like this. Fresh apple. Not tasty yet because there is no masala in it. Let's continue. Now we will add black pepper, black salt and tasty chatpata chaat masala. Yum yum. Nice work. Here's your apple chaat ready to eat. Yum yum. Let's taste. I hope you like this recipe and video. If you want me to make more cooking without fire recipes of your choice, then leave your ideas and comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel, TriangleKidzz. Bye now.